Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel Login 8. In this video, I will guide you on how to install DeepSeek app. So if you also want to install DeepSeek app, this video is just for you. Follow the simple steps and you'll be able to do it. So DeepSeek is basically the artificial intelligence application. It can help you with a lot of tasks such as maths, coding and natural language reasoning. So if you also want to install the DeepSeek app, it is actually very simple. This application is available both in Play Store and App Store. If you're using the Android devices like me, simply open Play Store. Now you can see over here Play Store has been opened. Tap on the search icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now simply tap on the search bar that you can see at the top. Now simply search for DeepSeek. Now after that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. You'll be able to find several results over here. Over here, you'll be able to find the option for DeepSeek AI Assistant. Simply tap on it. Now you can see over here, you'll be led to this kind of interface. Over here, you'll be able to get the information regarding this app. You can also see the review, its download size. If you scroll down, you'll also be able to see the comments over here. So if you also want to install this app, simply tap on the install option that you can see on the screen. Now wait for a while. Depending upon your Wi-Fi speed, it might take a while. After a while, you can see over here the application has been installed. Now you can go ahead and use this application. So that is how you install DeepSeek app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel.